Hey, hello. So in this video, we try to contribute to a project which is from Learn3 DAO ICO app. Okay, so this is an applications and I find some bug into it. So let's contribute to this app. Okay, and in this video, I tell you how to do that, source contributions and everything. So let's get started. Okay, so first of all, the one thing, and this is a blog which I am follow, and also mention the blog links into the description, guys. So yeah, so you have to first thing is whenever you want to contribute to an application, you have to fork that repositories. Okay, so as you can see, this is Learn3 DAO app, and I just fork it already. I just forked it and into my application, into my its annotation. You can see that this is forked from Learn3 DAO. Okay, so let's clone it from here. Go to your whatever it is you want to do and just get clone it, and it will take some time. Yep. So yeah, it's cloned, and just go to this repositories and you can see, so there's a hard hat, and actually I'm updating the front end part of it, which is built over Next.js. So just move to this repositories and this is the project. Okay, so I have to install the package as well. So let me install the packages, install it. Yep, it will take some time. It's done. And okay, so let's open this. Let's also first of all open this with code, with VS Code, and yeah, it's opened, and also start working on it, which is npm run dev. So started working as well. So yeah, this is an applications, and let's see what is the error. Okay, so whenever I type something, and okay, I typed it, and when I removed it, it showed me this error. Okay, so what is actually the error is, whenever there's empty strings and you try to convert them into a big number, it is from a Web3 project. Okay, so but let's say if you try to convert into a big number form, it shows us the error because it's not possible to convert an empty strings into a big number. Okay, so this is an error and we gonna solve this one. Okay, so yep, so there is something which you have to do as well. So yep, okay, so just come over here and open this, and so this one is one, and yeah, I want to close this terminal, and let's open a new terminal. And as you can see, into my, whatever it is, as you can see, is git remote minus v, it shows to the mine. Okay, so actually the remote version is mine. Okay, and you have to add the upstream branches. Okay, so check that your focus origin remote, and you can see which is an origin focus. So our branch is the origin version of it. Okay, but you have to add the Learn3 DAO repository as upstream. Okay, so how we can do that, just go to the Learn3 DAO application, and this is upstream. Okay, so for our repository we say it as an origin, and their repository we just say as the upstream. Okay, so this is just a naming way of things. Okay, so we just go and just add git remote add upstream and the URL. Okay, so let's do this. I think is it let's do this, your branch after. Okay, so yeah, git remote add upstream, git remote add upstream to the Learn3 DAO branch. Yeah, so this step is completed. Okay, and git pull upstream master. Okay, and from where you try to pull the latest changes from the upstream branch. Okay, so we just pull it everything from the upstream branch into, yeah, or the main branch, whatever it is. So okay, let's not this one. Okay, so yeah, so just git, and what is this? Okay, so we have to git pull upstream things, git pull upstream git pull, what is the git pull upstream, the main, I think the name as main. So yeah, so we just fetch everything from the latest branch. Okay, still okay, I already do the latest part, but yeah, for our simplicity we just do that as well for if there's any changes. But yeah, so it's a good practice. Now you have to create a new branch. Okay, so instead of directly change code of the main branch, it's a good practice to make a new branch. Okay, so let's make a new branch first. So git checkout, minus b, and let's name it as Anish main, I guess. Let's name it as Anish main. I don't know what's that. And yeah, so I just see, you can see the git branch. So we have a branch, and there are now two branch, which is the main branch, and this is the Anish main branch. I just creating mine, but you should name it as a good thing, a good branch. But I just name it as git, yeah, git main Anish. But yeah, you can name it as anything else. Git add all, and okay. So just let's open this code base. Okay, as you can see, just open this things. Okay, the my app part, which is this one, into the VS Code. And you can see in VS Code, you can easily see this is Anish main. Okay, this is not a main branch. Okay, so we just changed everything into the Anish main branch and not the actual main branch of the ICO app from the London now. So okay, let me show you the error part. Okay, I already showed show the error, and let's try to fix that error. Okay, so hmm, this is coming from the pages and indexes and just from the input. Yeah, so basically this is an error. So instead of doing everything in just one line, I will make a function. So let's create a function before, yeah, after this. So const handle input change. And if e dot target dot value is not equals to empty string, then we convert it into a big number dot from of e target dot value. This just basically check if it is not empty, then only convert to a big number, else don't do anything, because yeah, we don't add the else block. So here's the thing. Okay, so instead of this thing, just remove this line of code and adding our own way of on change. Okay, let's drop this one. We just add our own function, okay, which actually checks things. So add handle change function. Okay, so let's go and check if it is working or not. So I just refresh everything. Okay, what's happening? Let's try to write downs. Okay, so there's an error. What's the error is not defined. Okay, so basically I didn't do the e part, I guess. Yeah, it's not about the e. Okay, so as you can see, when I write something and do things, now it is working. Yeah, so there's no error which was earlier. Okay, so now this bug is already solved, and let's see what happened. Okay, so just make changes into a local repositories. We already do the did the line, step number 9, and just now just add and commit your changes. Okay, so git status, when you go to where it is, its status, and you can see there's a changes into your index.js file. Okay, which you can also see here as well in the VS Code as well itself. And yeah, see, there's an error here, there's a change here, and I don't know what's the, but yeah, we added a piece of code in this line, and we remove this code to our code base. Okay, so these are the changes. Now git add everything and git commit and add condition for input value. Okay, I guess check conditions. Okay, check. So what, yeah, so you can do whatever check conditions for the input values. Yeah. So now as you can see, status, and yeah, everything is up to date. Okay, so this part, the addition part and the commit part is also completed, and now git push origin to this branch. Okay, so just push to it to our branch, And first of all, let's see, there's nothing into our branch, as you can see. Okay, this is the Anishan branch, and now you can see it's 2 months and last month ago. So let's push to our branch, git push origin, and I name it as Anishme. Let's push it. Does not appear as a git repositories, and what's the issue? Git push origin, git push origin, git remote. Let's git push. Okay, I named it wrong. Origin, and it's Anishme. As you can see, it's updated, and just refresh this branch. So yeah, still it is a main branch, but you can see we added the Anish main branch. You can see it is here, and there's nothing here. Still this it is unchanged. They don't know anything about what happened. Okay. Yeah, you can see now they also know, okay, it's Anish and Anish main had recently pushed less than a minute ago. So they already it's already over there. And let's go to and push your changes to the your fork version. We already did this, and begin the pull request. Okay, so return to your fork on GitHub, return to your fork on GitHub and refresh the page. You may see the highlighted area in this, and you can see this is doc fixes into our repositories. And yeah, alternately, click the green compare pull button into it. So you have to do is compare pull. Okay, so there's no, not this one, but yeah, this one, compare and pull of your repositories. Check input values. Okay, so is it possible to add an image? I guess it is. I think there's no option for an image, is it? Okay, so I think why they are not providing. Okay, so I think it's possible they can see this video itself, I guess. Okay, so just updated the input box error, something like that, and create a pull request over here. As you can see, so there are 2 pull requests over here. So yeah, we just compare and pull the request and create a pull request, and then we have to create open pull request, review everything, create pull request. We already did that step as well. Yep, already pull that request, and yeah, it's pretty much completed. Yeah, review the pull request. Okay, so if you are now you are creating the pull request which is stored into the project repository, not in your forked repositories, it's a good idea to read through what you wrote and commits and filtering and all these things. But I guess, okay, so this much is pretty much complete from our side. Add more comments to your pull request if it is there, but yeah, they can see check conditions for input, set the image path on the index.js. Okay, so this one is different one, but this one is something we just check it out. Okay, this one is our one, and if they can see, they can also see what is the changes and everything. You can see, they just go to the anish.me branch and you can see the whatever it is. I guess will not this one. Yeah, you can see, just go to the commits there, check the condition for input values, and you can see basically what I do. I don't know from where this is coming from. I guess they didn't push it, but yeah, this one is this one is ours, and this one is just I recently added the function. So yeah, let's see. So this is how you contribute to the code base, and they just review it, and when they find it okay, it worked for them, they pull it out. I guess they just merge to their main branch, and this is how things works. So thank you so much, guys, for watching this, and if you find it interesting enough and if you learned something from this video, just try to subscribe to my YouTube channel, and yeah, thumbs up would be great. Thanks for watching this, and I see you in the next one.